think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my birthday gift unboxing video, and yesterday was my birthday, so today I'm going to be unboxing all the gifts. And if you haven't watched my birthday vlog yet, then go give it a watch. It's a very exciting and a very fun vlog. You will like it for sure. I'll link it in the I button as well as in the description box. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So yeah, let me start with the first gift given to me. So this is the first gift given to me, and it is written to my dear daughter. So this is of course given to me by my mom. So I'm going to be quickly unboxing this. It feels a little heavy, so let's see what's inside this. And I don't open packaging very softly and very carefully. I just open it and throw it away. So yeah, let me take a scissor. I have kept a scissor over here. So I'm opening it. Yeah, I guessed it right. It was a mug. Wow. Just look at it. It's a very cute mug. I just love it. It's written with tender love, daughter. You're the biggest miracle of my life. It's very good mug, you guys. I just love it. It's so beautiful. Just look at it. It has this lipstick over here, this shoes over here, this flowers over here. I'm gonna be drinking my milk with this glass only. It's a very beautiful mug. I'm very happy with this gift. Thank you so much, Mom. Next, I got this pink colored small gift. I don't remember who gave me this, but I'm going to be unboxing this right now. So look at this. They have put this cute ribbon over here. So it's a very good packaging. Yeah, I'm going to be opening this right now. I'm going to be saving this. This is very beautiful. I'm going to be saving this. So let me now open this wrapper. Just a minute, you guys. I'll just open this and come back. Guys, just look at this. This is a beautiful candle. Like, the smell of it is really good. It's a very beautiful candle. I have seen this before, but I don't know who has gifted me this. Whoever it is, thank you so much. I just love this gift. I love candles, so I got a candle as a gift. I just like it very much. So yeah, I'm not gonna open the inside because I like to keep it safely. I'm gonna be using this in one of my videos, so you can see in that. Hey guys, a few minutes back I realized that the camera did not record what all, I just unboxed a few gifts and the camera did not record it. So I'm going to be showing all the gifts towards the end of the video, but now I'm going to be showing you guys all the gifts which are wrapped, and I'm going to be unboxing those. So yeah, let's move towards the next gift. So the next gift I got is from my dad, and I'm going to be unboxing this now, and the packaging is really good. It's a blue color packaging, and look at this ribbon. It's very cute. So yeah, let me just open this now. So there's a cover inside, so I'm going to be opening this cover right now. Oh, there are a lot of earrings inside. Now I'm going to be showing you guys one by one. So the first earring that I got is this beautiful golden colored one, and it also has this star kind of things over here. This is very beautiful and I loved it. Next I got this hoop kind of earrings. This is a golden colored hoop, and it also has this blue colored beads over here. This is very gorgeous. I love hoop earrings, so yeah, thank you so much Dad for gifting me a hoop earrings. And the next earring is this beautiful pink color bead kind of earrings. It also has this black color lace over here. This is a very beautiful earrings. I love pink color, so yeah, I like this earrings very much. And yeah, you can look at the earrings. And the next earring that I got is this beautiful golden embellished earrings. This would match with a lot of traditional outfits. So yeah, this is a very good pair of earrings. You can have a look at it. And the next earring is this beautiful golden colored earrings. This is a very beautiful one. It would match with a lot of outfits, and just look at it, it's so beautiful, and it has kind of a geometric patterns all over it, and I loved it personally. It's a very good earring. And the next earring that I got is very similar to that, and this is the last pair of earrings that I got, and this is also a very beautiful earring. And thank you so much, Papa, for giving me these earrings. I just loved all these earrings, and I love you so much. Thank you for all the earrings. And next I got this beautiful pink colored gift, and I feel like some boxes there inside it, and yeah, I'm going to be unboxing this right now. So yeah, I have got a clothing inside this, so let me just open this and see what it is. And it has this beautiful military kind of a pattern. Has like an army kind of a pattern. So you guys can see I have got this beautiful military kind of a dress. This is a very beautiful dress, to be honest. I was looking for an army kind of a pattern, a t-shirt or a dress, and I'm so glad that I got it as a gift. So thank you so much for this gift, and I love this dress very much. And the next gift I got is this beautiful emerald green color drap gift, and look at the ribbon on it, it's very pretty. So yeah, let me just unbox this for you guys. So this is a clothing again, so yeah, let me just show you what it is. So this might be a cord set if I'm not wrong, and you can see this is probably a skirt. I think it's a skirt, and then you also have a top. Let me just show it to you guys. And this is the top along with it. This is a very beautiful black kind of a skinny top. I love this very much, and thank you for this outfit. I'm really very glad to have this. Thank you very much for this gift. And the next gift that I have is this small pink colored one. So yeah, let me just open this. Wow, this is a unicorn purse. I just love it very much. Yeah, let me just open the packaging. You can see this is a beautiful pink colored purse. It's a unicorn kind of a purse, and it's a hard top, you can see. So yeah, let me just open this for you guys. You can see this is a very beautiful purse. I love it. It's a very good wallet. I'm going to be using this as my wallet. This is a very good wallet. And thank you so much for this gift. I don't remember who has given me this, but thank you so much for this gift. And the next gift that I have is this one, which is from my sister. So yeah, the packaging and everything is really good. This is a royal blue color, and this also has a ribbon in it. So yeah, let me just open it. Wow, you guys, this is a basket full of gifts. You can see there are a lot. So yeah, let me just show one by one to you guys. There are a lot of gifts, you guys. I'm very excited to open these. So yeah, let me just open one by one. Firstly, there is this cute small kind of a gift. So let me just open this, and it is wrapped with a satin ribbon. And my sister has given this, so I know there will be something nice in it. Oh, this is a nail polish, you guys. This is so beautiful. So this is a nail polish by Calabar, and it's in the shade, I don't know the shade number, but it's a beautiful, I think it's a black colored shade. It's a very beautiful thing. Thank you so much. I just love it. And the next one we have is this, again, a circular gift. So yeah, I'll unbox it. So this is a body scrub by Plum. This is their sugar body scrub. And guys, when I get beauty kind of products, I am very happy for that. And don't get me wrong, I am happy with all the gifts that I got, but that there is some sort of a special feeling when I get beauty kind of products. And I just like this Plum body scrub. I was thinking of purchasing something from Plum, but I got this as a gift. Thank you so much, Sissy. And then next one, and this also feels like some sort of a nail polish. So yeah. And the next nail polish is like this. This is in a beautiful, kind of like a bluish green color, and I love it. And yeah, I got this nail polish as a gift. Oh, there is one more nail polish. So yeah, just let me open this. I can feel that this is a nail polish. So yeah, just let me open this. Wow, this is in a beautiful lavender kind of a color. And it's kind of like a pearl kind of a color. This is very beautiful, and this is again by a Color Bar. So yeah, I just got this. Oh sorry you guys, this is the holographic kind of a nail polish, so just wanted to tell you guys that one. And then we have this lipstick kind of a packaging. So yeah, I'm gonna be opening this now. And this is probably a lipstick. This is a lipstick by Lakme. It's the Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Mini Lipstick. So yeah, I will open it and also swatch the shade for you guys. Wow, this is a beautiful mini lipstick. This is very cute, and this is in the shade Brown Sugar. So I'm gonna be swatching this for you guys. Look at the shade, such a pretty shade. It's a very brownish shade, thanks to my sister again. And then the last gift in this packaging is this one. This is in a box shape. So yeah, I'll open this. I got this Mamaearth C3 face mask. I was like just about to get this, but my sister gave it as a gift, and I'm very glad to have this. I was, this was in my wish list. I was actually about to purchase this, but I got it as a gift. And you guys have seen a lot of YouTubers rave about this product. I wanted to try out this, and I got it as a gift. Thank you so much. I just love this. And you can see the basket is left out with this beautiful scented flowers. These are dried flowers, so you can just see these are all dried beautiful scented flowers. And yeah, I just loved all the gifts given by my sister. Thank you so much. I love you so much, and thank you very much. Oh guys, one more thing I need to show you, which was given by my sister. I'll just show you guys in a bit. And then I got this lovely letter by my sister, and this is very special to me. It has a lot of things written in it, and it is very meaningful to me. So a special thanks to this one as well. And then I got this lipstick kind of a packaging gift, and this gift was given to me by my mama. And yeah, let me just open this. And also the black dress cord set which you saw was given to me by my mama. So let me just open this. Oh, this is a sugar liquid lipstick. It's a lip gloss, and just look at this. This is so good. Thank you so much, Mama. So yeah, let me just open this. Wow, just look at the shade. I so wanted this kind of nude shades. And yeah, let me just swatch it for you guys. Oh, there's a tape, sorry. Now you can see this is a very beautiful pretty shade. And yeah, thank you so much, Mama, for gifting me this. I am very glad that I got such a beautiful shade as a gift. Thank you so much. So I showed you guys all the gifts that were wrapped. Now I'm going to be showing you guys all the gifts which were unwrapped. You know, I just unboxed it and the video just paused. So I'm going to be showing you guys all those gifts. And the first one is this beautiful golden kind of a purse. This is so luxurious, and this was given to me by my Dodama. She's my mom's elder sister, so we call her Dodama in Kannada. So yeah, she has given me this purse, and let me see what's inside this. Yeah, we have this earrings inside this. Let me just show it to you guys in detail. So we have this beautiful Jhumka traditional earrings, and these kind of earrings are trending right now. And yeah, I got this. Thank you so much, Dodama, for this earrings. We have one more I'm going to be showing you guys. And then she has given me this beautiful black colored silver Jhumka. These are also very, very pretty. I love this so much. Thank you so much, Dodama. And then inside this we have a clip. This is, you know, a golden colored luxurious clip, and yeah, this is very pretty. Thank you so much for this, Dodama. And then I got this beautiful perfume. This is Burberry Brit Sheer perfume. I think this is an international brand. So this gift was given to me by my Dodappa. So I'm going to be showing you guys the perfume from inside right now. So you guys can see I got this beautiful pink colored packaging of perfume, and let me just spray it and smell it for you guys. Smells very sweet and very fresh, and thank you so much, Dodappa, for this gift. And then I have got this Claire's facial sugar polish. It's a sugar scrub basically, and yeah, I'm going to be showing you the inside, and you can have a look at it. So this is what it looks from inside, and this was also given to me by my Dodappa. And yeah, I'm going to be using this, and I will tell you how it works. So thank you so much, Dodappa, for this gift. I just liked all the gifts that you gave. So those were all the gifts that I got from my family and friends. I am very, very grateful for all the gifts. Thank you all so much for the gift. I am very grateful for this. And one more thing I wanted to tell is that when my birthday, like during my birthday, there was a very hard COVID situation, but still I have got so many good gifts. I'm very satisfied with it, very, very happy with it. And yeah, thank you all so much. I'm very very happy. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. And also follow me on my Instagram, and do comment down below what type of other videos you would like to see next. I'll meet you guys in my next video. Until then, love yourself, be safe and be happy.